We have now integrated the System Navigator into the mechanical and plumbing sector as well. It offers more uniformity with the Properties field and supplements the previous calculation dialogues. In the Properties field, you determine the design criteria for calculations of pipe networks. The calculation results and the design criteria of the selected system are also displayed there. For example, the storyport representation of heating, cooling and drinking water circuits can be automatically aligned and displayed here based on flow direction. In DDS-CAD 17, you can use the multi-edit function within the calculation dialog to replace several objects at the same time. Additionally, partial lines of a system can be locked so that elements will not be changed unintentionally. In addition, the mechanical and plumbing sector has a new labeling function. With it, you can easily determine yourself which information is to be displayed. Click on the corresponding component and use your new labeling function directly. Several information blocks in a row are also possible. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.